As the day starts, our daily responsibilities demands our attention. And most of the time we get so busy working and living life that we forget to treat ourselves like queen. Self-care is an important way to maintain excellent physical, emotional and mental health. And when you feel better, you work better. When you work better, you get more done in less time. And more importantly, you are happier. That's the reason ORIFLAME has launched Nourishing facial kit for all skin types with organic papaya, pineapple and guarana just for us. Guarana has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. It minimizes undesirable features such as saggy skin and wrinkles. First step is using the face wash. This is basically a cleanser. It has a creamy texture. Apply on wet skin to cleanse. It is a gentle cleanser which removes the dirt and impurities without over drying your skin. Then rinse with water and pat your skin dry. Second step is using the face scrub. This face scrub has tiny particles. Now gently massage the scrub on the wet face for 4 to 5 minutes, avoiding the eye area. This exfoliating scrub is mild on skin while removing the impurities and dead skin cells. Now rinse with water and pat your skin dry. The third step is using the face cream. This is basically a massage cream. This also has a creamy texture. Okay, that smells really nice. Now remember to pat your skin dry before applying the face cream. Massage the face cream on dry face for 10 to 15 minutes, avoiding the eye area. This nourishing face cream hydrates and refreshes your skin, making it soft and supple. Now gently wipe it off. Now the final step is to use the face mask. Its creamy texture will intensely hydrate and moisturize your skin, giving a smooth and healthy look. Now finally apply the face mask all over your face and the neck portion, avoiding the eye area. Leave this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wipe it off gently. This Nourishing facial kit is launched by ORIFLAME last month. I have used this facial kit and my skin just loved it. Let me know about your experience in the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.